Hey everybody, we're going to take a little bit of a break from lecture. I know y'all have had several days of lecture. So we're going to take a little bit of a break and you guys are going to do a little bit of research. This will help prepare you for the phlebotomy portion. It will help you just kind of get some of those lab values in hand and under control, and just give you an idea of what is normal, what are normal labs that are collected in a clinic or in a provider's office. And you get to choose one of the three reference labs. You can choose LabCorp, Quest, or DRL. And what you're going to do is you're going to research those labs that are listed: CBC, CMP, TSH, lipid panel, EUA, with culture and sensitivity, blood cultures, a beta natriuretic peptide, which is a BNAP. It's for congestive heart failure test, protein electrophoresis, ProTime with INR, a partial thrombin time, anti-nuclear antibody, SED rate, liver function, a prostate specific antigen, pap smear, and wet mount. Those are really common tests that are done in almost every provider's office, at least yearly. So it's important for you to know, and when you need to know, and with this research, you can put it in a table form. You can put it in a paragraph form, whatever works for you. You cannot copy and paste, but because I want your information. I don't want copy and paste. And trust me, you guys, you're turning this into me, so I can tell if you just copied and pasted it or if you actually read the information and paraphrased it. I want you to do that. I want you to read the information and then put it in your own words, how you would collect the specimen, how it needs to be maintained after the specimen is collected. So does it need to be refrigerated? Like for collection, what tubes do you need? Is there a specific way you need to prep the skin or position the patient, or specific solution that you need for it? Afterwards, I want to know if you need to spin it down. I need to know if it needs to be refrigerated, how long it's stable once it's collected, or before it has to be picked up. So you need to research that information from one of those labs. Then I want to know stability time. Also, I want you to know what the normal range is. So I want to know what the normal CBC tests multiple things, but I want to know what the normal values are for a CBC. The normal values for a CMP. It's not just one value. Those have quite a few values. The TSH is one value. Lipid panel has multiple values. A UA has multiple values. Culture and sensitivity. That's going to be positive or negative. Blood cultures, same thing. It's going to tell you positive or negative. BNAP, normal range. Protein electrophoresis. You're going to look for the normal range on those. And you can, like I said, you can either put that in a paragraph form where you have paraphrased all the information related to that. You can put it in a table, however it works for you. But this information that you collect, some of this information will be on the phlebotomy test. So just be sure that you're not, like I said, don't just copy and paste, because you won't learn it. I want it paraphrased. And if you've just copied and pasted, I will know, because I've worked for many years with all of these reference labs, and so I know what their terminology is within their reference information. So be sure that you are paraphrasing the information, so it's your words, not theirs. You need to turn this in to me at the beginning of class tomorrow. You're going to turn it in on this assignment, and I'm going to grade it. So be sure that you turn it in on this assignment, and it's due at the beginning of your class period tomorrow. So just be sure that you have it done and it's turned in. I will take off 10 points per day that it's late. After 5 days late, you'll get a 0. So just be sure to turn in on time. This is a relatively easy project. It will keep you busy both class periods, but it'll help you get that information that you need and put your eyes and ears and hands on it. So you guys have a great day, and I will be back with you tomorrow. Thanks, everybody.